Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Chana Doll here. So I'm so excited to show you my GoPro Hero 9 camera. I just got this for Christmas and I'm so excited. I can't wait to start using it and filming it because I've been using my GoPro Hero 8, which is great, but I am excited to do an unboxing video and show you what guys comes with it. So let's start. So take it out of the package. This is what the case comes with. Has the GoPro logo right there. This is all the different type of paperwork, the instructions, the cool little stickers. And it does comes with the SD card, which is amazing, so I don't have to go out and buy one. It comes with, oh, just came out the package. But 2 batteries, which will I need a lot because you know the GoPro cameras, them die quick. Oh, comes with this little clamp thingy that you can mount the camera on right here. I guess you can put it on a hat or something. Why does it look like something out of a game, like a video game or a cartoon or something? Like, here is the clamp. Anyways, okay. Then this is the USB cord to plug the camera in. And let's see what else they have over here. And they have some more mounting stuff that you can put the camera on. And there's 2 of these little screw thingies. And then it comes with this thing that you can mount your camera on too. Just underneath there, no. And then of course to the best part, the camera itself. But wow. So let me take off all these paper stuff so I can give you a better look at it. Oh. Whoa. Very nice. So this is what the front part of it looks like. It's a little bit bigger than the current GoPro Hero 8 that I own. I love the fact that it has this one screen on the front now, so that when I'm vlogging I can actually see what I'm doing. And then this is the back of the screen. And of course I like how all the GoPros had a little mount on the bottom so you don't have to get the extra piece, you know. All of them, even my other, the GoPro Hero 8 also has mount on the bottom, which makes it very convenient. And then this front screen is a little bit bigger than my current camera that I'm using too. But overall, I like it. Looks a lot smoother. Like I said, the only difference really is the front facing screen on here, and then it's a little bit bigger on the camera and a little bit bigger on the back side. But basically all the other buttons are the same, like the power button on the side is in the same spot, and then to record and stop it's in the top same spot too. But I'm excited to try this and see how it films compared to my GoPro Hero 8. So if you guys enjoyed this little review, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.